Ever feel like navigating project stakeholders is like herding cats? Don't worry, this video will give you the tools to turn that chaos into a symphony of project success in just a minute and a half. First, let's talk identification. You need to figure out who has a stake in your project. Think broadly. This includes anyone who can influence or be influenced by your project's outcome. A stakeholder matrix is your best friend here. Plot stakeholders based on their power and interest. High power, high interest. These are your key players. Manage them closely. Low power, low interest. Keep them informed, but don't over-engage. Next up, engagement. Communication is key. Tailor your message to each stakeholder's needs and concerns. What's in it for them? Show them how the project benefits them directly, addressing their concerns and anxieties hidden. Use a variety of communication channels: email, meetings, project updates to keep everyone in the loop. Transparency builds trust and prevents misunderstandings. Actively seek their feedback and incorporate it where possible. Remember, they are stakeholders because they have something to offer. Managing expectations is crucial. Set clear goals and timelines upfront. Regularly update stakeholders on progress, highlighting achievements and addressing any roadblocks. Be proactive. Anticipate potential issues and communicate them early. By identifying, engaging, and managing your stakeholders effectively, you can transform them from potential roadblocks into project champions. Use these techniques to build strong relationships, gain buy-in, and steer your project towards guaranteed success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.